Hey guys, so today I have another review for you. You know, I love reviews and I really like reviewing hair products because I just like to keep my hair as healthy as I possibly can. So about a month ago, November 3rd, I got my hair cut. I cut like it from like here to up to here. So it was just so damaged and dead, so I just needed a change too. So it was just like a good thing to do because now my hair is like so much healthier. And when I went there, when I went and got my hair cut, I wanted a shampoo and conditioner that would really help to keep the damage like to a minimum and just would help to protect my hair and make it stronger. So my hairdresser, she recommended to get the Pureology Strength Cure Shampoo and Conditioner, and this stuff, let me tell you, is like so expensive, but oh my gosh, it's so worth the money. Like, I can't even explain it. My hair has become so healthy and it's just so soft all the time, and like my split ends, like normally by like after a month my hair has like some split ends. There are zero split ends on my hair. Like, just look how like healthy it looks. Like, it's just honestly, like, it's just such a nice shampoo, and I definitely know that the healthiness that my hair has right now is from this shampoo and conditioner. It's just such an amazing product, and what I really like about it too is yeah, it's like a smaller bottle, but you only need like a dime amount, like for the length of my hair. Like, you do not need a lot because it really lathers well. Like, the shampoo, you just like rub in your hands for like a good, I guess, like 2 minutes, and then just like rinse it in. No, don't lather it for 2 minutes. I meant just like rub it in there and then just like put it in your hair, and it honestly shampoos it good. You don't need like a lot, so I really like that about it. And the conditioner, you barely need anything, and I just put that like from like here on my hair down, and then I just let it sit there for like 3 minutes or however long I'm in the shower for, like after I put the conditioner in, and it's honestly so amazing. It really adds like volume to your hair, and my hair is definitely so much healthier and it feels like so much stronger. I feel like I've had so much less breakage than what I used to have when I used other shampoo and had long hair. So yeah, I literally recommend these products so much. They're so amazing. So yeah, if you were wondering how this product works, I give it a 11 out of 10. It's amazing. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let me know if you want any more reviews on any other products, because I'll be happy to do them. I just love doing reviews on products because sometimes, like, when something's like this expensive, like this, I think it was like $25 a bottle, like, you want to hear if it actually works or not. Like, you don't just want to spend $25 and then it be a waste. So I love doing reviews, so just let me know if there's any other like shampoo products, anything that you want to review on. And yeah, I definitely go and buy this. I recommend it very strongly. All right, see you guys. Bye.
Hey guys, it's Amber. So today's video is going to be an update on my Pureology Strength Cure. So I did a video review, first impressions of this, over a month ago, and a lot of you guys said you wanted to see an update video, so today is going to be that. So I have really enjoyed using the shampoo and conditioner. I love how it smells, I love how it makes my hair feel, but I really wanted to see if it would help with the damage. So shortly after I filmed that video, I was coloring my hair, just kind of like actually adding a few more darks to make it a little bit more ombre. I wasn't really coloring the ends or anything, and I was looking at the back of my hair and I had a lot of breakage. Now this was before I started using this, and I was like, you know, I can't really test out my hair very well if I already have a lot of breakage, because if you've got a lot of split ends, those ends are going to keep splitting and splitting and splitting, and so I decided to cut quite a bit off my hair. So some of it has grown back, but I actually cut about 3 to 4 inches off of my hair, and in the back of my hair it literally was like this, and then I had this like hole where it was like broken. So it was like I had a triangle in the back, and it's like no one ever really sees back there. I honestly don't look at it back there that much. So I decided to give a very fair test to this product, that I would cut my hair, make it even. Now there is a little bit of thinness right there on the bottom. For whatever reason, my hair kind of struggles in that area, and that's where I get a lot of breakage. So let me show you what the back of my hair looks like right now. So although there is still a little bit of thinness there, more than I would like, I feel like the breakage has been a lot better because I had gotten a haircut only like a month and a half or 2 months before, and that's how bad the breakage was. So for the fact that it's been over a month and it's like hardly had any breakage there at all, I am very, very grateful, and I would definitely recommend the Strength Cure.